Hello everyone, my name is Sinan from SIT Mangaluru. I'm here to explain about my idea umbrella with heating and cooling system. An umbrella with a built-in heating and cooling system is a cutting-edge innovation that redefines the traditional umbrella's functionality. This advanced umbrella is designed to provide optimal comfort in various weather conditions. By incorporating both heating and cooling elements, it ensures that you stay cozy and comfortable regardless of whether you are facing chilly winter rains or scorching summer sun. With the ability to adjust the temperature settings, this umbrella not only keeps you dry but also helps regulate your personal climate, making it a versatile and indispensable accessory for year-round use. Advantages: comfort in all weather. It provides a comfortable environment, keeping you warm in cold weather and cool in hot weather, enhancing your overall outdoor experience. Temperature control. You can adjust the heating and cooling settings to your preference, ensuring that you are always at a comfortable temperature regardless of weather conditions. Extended outdoor use. With a heated umbrella, you can extend your outdoor activities into cooler seasons, and the cooling feature makes it pleasant to be outside on hot summer days. Versatility. It can be used for various outdoor events like picnics, patio dining, or even at the beach, making it a versatile accessory for different occasions. Energy efficiency. Some models are designed to be very efficient, using minimal power to be heating and cooling, which is environment friendly. UV protection. Many of these umbrellas also come with a UV protection, shielding you from harmful sun rays. Reduced need for additional accessories. You may need extra heaters or fans, saving space and reducing clutter. Disadvantages: cost. Umbrellas with built-in heating and cooling systems tend to be more expensive than regular umbrellas. This initial purchase price and potential maintenance cost can be a significant drawback. External energy consumption. These umbrellas require power to operate their heating and cooling features, which can drain batteries or require access to an electrical outlet. This added energy consumption can be inconvenient, especially when outdoors. Limited mobility. Carrying an umbrella with a heating and cooling system may be bulkier and heavier, making it less portable and more challenging to transport compared to a traditional umbrella. Environmental impact. Increased energy consumption for heating and cooling can contribute to a higher carbon footprint, which may not align with sustainability goals or eco-conscious lifestyles. Reliability issues. Like an electronic device, umbrella with heating and cooling system can be prone to malfunctions or breakdowns, leaving you with an umbrella that does not provide the expected comfort. Maintenance. These umbrellas may require regular maintenance such as battery replacement or repairs to the heating and cooling mechanism, which can be a hassle and an added cost. Durability. Heating and cooling systems could reduce the overall durability of the umbrella, making it more susceptible to wear and tear. Thank you.